Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Shimoy, and if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications whenever I post any video. So, in today's video, I took the 7 days ice cube challenge. Basically, in this challenge, I'll have to apply ice cube onto my face for 7 days, and we'll see the effect after that. Many people tried it and they told me that they got a very good effect from that. So let's just hope for the best and start the video. This is day one of me trying the ice cube thing on my face. So let's just see what happens. I'll just take an ice cube and gently rub it on my face, the cheeks, the nose, my upper lips. You can also apply it over your lips because it will give you a natural pinkish effect to your lip. Also, your forehead. It's very cold. Don't forget your under eyes and because it will help you remove your under eyes and eye bags, your dark circles. Tried rubbing ice on my face for the first day and I already see a glow over my cheeks. So I hope it will work well on my skin too. This is day 2 of me rubbing the ice cube on my face. So let's just start. First I'll tie my hair. I just took my shower an hour before, so please don't judge me. Yeah. That day it became too difficult for me to hold on the ice with my fingers, so I'll just use a towel. I'll just take my ice and keep it over this towel. You can see it, and yeah, rub it on my face. I've not applied anything on my face after I took shower. It was really dry that time. I was feeling very irritated, but now it feels so good. So this is day 5 of me trying the ice. I'll not show all the days because it will become very boring for you if I go on showing the same thing again and again. So don't mind. Yeah, with my ice and so I'm done here. Just wipe my face. I tried rubbing ice cube on my face for regular 5 days, and I can already see a natural glow on my cheeks, my nose area, and I can also see a little bit glow on my lips, and my lip color is also changed a little bit. So yeah, it really worked very well for me. And yeah, for your information, I did some research. I keep doing such types of research. If you apply any kind of serum or any kind of oil onto your skin before applying or rubbing your ice cube onto your face, it will help you to get rid of dry skin. I mean, if you have dry skin, your face becomes dry, and or if your face is very sweaty, you get a lot of sweat and it's oily, you'll get rid of all the problems. Most important thing, you should not keep the ice cube on your pimple areas for too long. I mean, you can keep it on your pimple for 1 to 2 sec, and just remove it quickly, because like fire, ice can also burn your skin very fast if you keep rubbing it onto one area. I did the same mistake because there was no one who can guide me, who could have guided me or told me that this is the wrong thing to do. But I am here to help you out. So make sure that you don't apply or don't rub the ice cube on your pimple on areas for too long. This is the seventh day me trying the ice cube thingy on my face, and I should really say that it really worked epic for me. Matlab, I really regret that moment when people used to tell me that you should use ice on your face to get a better skin, and I didn't believe them. Seriously, I didn't believe them. I thought that how can ice be so good on your skin? I did try it for a very long time, but after seeing all those, I keep researching all these stuffs, and I saw many of the people were posting such types of videos that you should use ice on your face and this kind of things. So I took the 7 day challenge that let's see what happens, and it really worked very good on my face. My skin got very much improved from before because I've got a natural glow. It helped me get rid of my pimples. It helped me get rid of my acne, and it will also help you. I don't have wrinkles, but it will also help you to get rid of wrinkles, skin inflammation, and I had dark circles, but it's gone now. And really, it worked really well for me. I hope it will work for you too. Without more discussions, let's just quickly apply the ice. I told you earlier that do not apply your ice cube on your pimple areas for very long time. I did it by mistake. I did that mistake, and here is the result. My skin got burnt here, and this mark is not going. So avoid repeating that mistake because you want a beautiful skin. I hope this mark will go soon. Just hope for the best. So this was the video all about. Hope you guys liked it. And lastly, I must say that ice is something that will help you get a better skin very easily. Ice will help you a lot. It will help you get rid of your skin inflammation, your pimples, your acne, your wrinkles. And if you have oily skin or you get a lot of sweat onto your face, it will help you reduce that problem too. So yeah, if you liked my video, don't forget to turn the black thumb blue, and do subscribe my channel so that you can get more these kinds of videos, and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any update whenever I post such videos. Thank you for watching my video and keep supporting me like you are doing now so that I can proceed with my further videos.